This is Dawn Fraser from Living Your Best Life at 60, and today I'm going to be making yogurt without an Instapot or a yogurt maker. We're just going to simply use a pot from our kitchen, a half a gallon of whole milk, a thermometer, and you will also need 2 tablespoons of the yogurt starter. My starter is for my last batch of yogurt, but you can use any plain Greek yogurt. Okay, we're over by the stove now, and I'm going to take my whole half gallon of milk and pour it in. We want to bring this milk up to 180 degrees to kill any bacteria. And every once in a while I'll come in and I'll be whisking it. We'll come back and check in a few minutes. It's been 5 minutes and our milk is now at 144 degrees. We'll have to wait a few more minutes. Our yogurt has hit 180 degrees. So I have turned down the flame just a little bit, and I'm going to be whisking it right now, but we'll be whisking it every 3 to 5 minutes for the next 20 minutes. So we're going to let this stay at 180 degrees for 20 minutes for thicker yogurt. It's been 20 minutes, so our milk is done cooking. So let's go ahead and take it off the burner, and let's go ahead and cover it with a clean cloth. And we're doing this because we need to cool this milk down to 108 degrees. And the reason we need to do that is when we add our yogurt starter, if we add it too soon, the heat would kill the bacteria in the yogurt starter. So we're gonna let this cool down, and it should take really 1 to 2 hours to get this cooled down to 108 degrees. Let's check our milk. Our milk has cooled to 108 degrees. You probably noticed a milk skin on top of your liquid. We're going to remove that now. Now we can add our yogurt starter. Remember, our yogurt starter can be from our last batch of yogurt or from a store-bought plain Greek yogurt. Use your whisk now to mix your yogurt culture in. We're going to cover our mixture with a clean kitchen towel and then wrap it in a small blanket or beach towel to keep it warm. We will set it aside for 8 to 12 hours. It's been 10 hours, so let's look at our yogurt. Oh, that looks nice and thick. You now have 2 options. You can cover your yogurt and place it into your refrigerator for 4 hours or overnight, or you can choose to place your yogurt directly into your storage container. I'm going to go ahead and spoon my yogurt into my storage container now because I'm leaving to go camping at 4 a.m. tomorrow and I won't have time to do it in the morning. As you can see, making homemade yogurt is very simple and it is very delicious. Here's our finished product. It looks and tastes delicious. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like and subscribe.